Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the chapter numbers. So, under this chapter, we're going to start off with the topic decimals. So, in today's tutorial, we are going to be looking at how we can multiply decimals. And in our next video, we're going to be learning how to divide decimals. So if you'd like to learn about that, then keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to start off with multiplying decimals. So I think the easiest way or the best way to go about this is with an example. So over here, we're going to work out 0.26 times 5.2. Okay, so in your previous years, such as year 5 or year 7, you may have learned how to multiply numbers, ordinary numbers, with just the column method. Okay, so for those of you who find the column method a little bit hard or confusing, I have done the lattice method in this video. So the lattice method is slightly different but a bit easier than the column method. So let's take a look. Okay, so we're just going to have a lattice here with each of the numbers 26 and 52. So we're just going to ignore the decimals for a start and work with 26 and 52. Okay, now what happens is we multiply each of the numbers one at a time. So we're going to have 2 times 5, which is 10, 6 times 5, which is 30, 2 times 2, which is 0.4, and 6 times 2, which would just be 12. Okay, right over here we have diagonals. So we're going to have to add the numbers that are in the diagonals, starting from the right to the left. Okay, so we do 2 plus nothing, which is just a 2. 0 plus 1 plus 4, which is a 5. 3 plus 0 plus 0, that would just be 3. And lastly, we have 1. Okay, to write down our answer, we keep in mind that we started off with 3 decimal places in question. So we have 26 and then we have 2, okay? So when you're writing our answers, we need to put back the 3 decimal places in our results. So our results are 1, 3, 5, 2. So we'll start from the right and move the decimal 3 places to the left, just like this. And at the end of the day, our answer is going to be 1.352. Okay, let's do another example so that you can get the hang of it. Okay, example 2 says 4.3 times 2.9. So we go ahead again and put 43 and 29 in our lattice. And then we start multiplying each of the numbers. So 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times 2 is 0.6. 4 times 9 is 36, pardon me. And then 3 times 9 is 27. Okay, so now again we add the numbers in the diagonal. This example is a little bit different because we're going to have carryovers. Okay, that's what I wanted to show you. So we start by adding 7 to nothing, which is just going to be a 7. And in the next diagonal, we have 6 plus 2 plus 6, and that gives us 14. But then we write the 4 and carry over the 1 to the next diagonal. Then 0 plus 8 plus 3, that's going to be 12. And then 0 plus 1 is going to be 1. Keep in mind, I added the carried over to the numbers in the diagonal, okay? So now we have 1247 as our answer. But then again, please remember we had 2 decimals to begin with. That is 0.3 and 0.9. Okay, so we're going to have to put back 2 decimals in our answer. And that would be 1247, which gives us 12.47. Okay, that's about it. Now, let's move on to some practice questions. I would like for you to attempt these questions by yourself. And then I'm going to put the answers on the screen, okay? So you can go ahead and pause this video, work them out, let me know in the comment section what you got, and You let me know if you got the answers right. Okay, so I'm just going to put the answers now. This is 1.32, 3, and 92.45. So did you get the answers correct? Please let me know down in the comment section.